In this quick video, we're going to troubleshoot an electric blanket that is overheating. First one is common sense. If you got the control panel on too high, then of course it's going to get too hot. So you want to lower it maybe, I like it mid, like 4, 5, and 6 is my favorite ideal temperature for it to be. Make sure that it's not on during the day while you're not using it. That sometimes has a tendency to make them overheat. Next thing what I want you to do is to make sure you got proper connection from the control panel to the electric blanket. So go ahead and unplug it, firmly put it back in. So believe it or not, a loose connection will actually make it overheat because it's making it struggle. All right, next thing I want to do is to do a soft reset. And in order to do a soft reset, what we're going to do is we're going to unplug it from the wall for about 30 minutes. So go ahead and unplug it. Keep it unplugged for 30 minutes. Plug it back in and see if that will remedy the problem. Next thing is you do not want to make sure that you do not have it on an extension cord. So again, you remember what I was saying about it straining because it's not getting enough power. That can make make it overheat. So again, don't put it on an extension cord. You might want to try a different outlet. So I'll put it on the top one instead of the bottom. Or if you can put one in another outlet altogether, that's even better. So next thing is you want to make sure that it's not getting, the blanket itself is not getting strained. So you don't want it bunched up. You want it flat as possible, because if it's bunched up like I have over there with the wires together, that will make it overheat. You want to make sure that there's nothing too heavy on top of it where it's not getting good ventilation, like a human being or a heavy dog or a huge comforter. That will make it overheat. And same thing with the bottom. You want to make sure that there's like just a sheet maybe. So don't have too much underneath it or on top of it, just so it can get proper ventilation. And finally is to replace the control panel itself. You can usually get these on eBay or Amazon, and you don't have to replace your blanket. Just look for the model number on the control panel, plug that into eBay. A lot of times you can get them for like $5 to $10, and that way you don't have to replace the whole blanket. All right, make sure you subscribe. Put in the comment section which method worked for you, and also put in the comment section what brand do you have. Do you have a Sunbeam? Do you have a Canon like this one? Do you have a GE? And thank you for watching.